a bag of frozen stir-fry vegetables in your freezer or any frozen vegetables, and you're tired of just tossing them in the pan, they're soggy and mushy and just bland, come with me. I'll show you what to do. First, make sure your skillet is screaming hot. We want to see a little steam coming up from there. If you have a stir-fry pack like this and there's a sauce pack in there, take the sauce pack out and set it aside, okay? Now, don't put any oil or any water or anything in your skillet. We're going to first get all of the moisture out of the vegetables so they won't get soggy. Once your pan is screaming hot and you can see a little steam coming up, pour all your vegetables in. If you don't hear that sizzle when you put them in, your skillet was not hot enough. Give them a stir and stir them around so that you can get that moisture out of there. Look, right here in the skillet, you see those beads of water? That's what you want to get out so that your veggies will not come out soggy. You want to keep moving them around and stirring them until all that extra water evaporates. As the water releases from your vegetables, they'll calm down and you won't hear that sizzle. But as the water and moisture that's in your skillet starts to evaporate, that sizzle will come right back up. That's when you know most of that water has evaporated. Now we're going to season them up using Pam's Prep all-purpose seasoning. You can use the no salt or the fiery hot. Full recipe will be on my website, pamspreps.com, and while you're there, don't forget to grab your free ebook. Give that a good stir. Now I'm going to go in with just a tad bit of oil, about a tablespoon or two. I'm using avocado oil because it's a high heat oil. Hear that sizzle? That's what you want. Go ahead and stir them around. You want to cook them now for maybe about 2 minutes or less. You don't want mushy veggies. See the char on the vegetables? That's what we're looking for. Nicely cooked, nicely charred, not steamed and mushy. Now, push all your vegetables to the side. Take that sauce packet and pour it right in the middle. You want to pour it in the middle by itself so it can heat up and turn these vegetables into a nice, salty glaze. You want it to caramelize. Only takes a second, then stir them in. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. Now all we need to do is plate it up. Doesn't that look amazing? Quick, easy, tasteful, and not mushy. Oh my goodness. Doesn't this look amazing? Quick and easy. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Oh my goodness. Do our taste test. Delicious. Oh my goodness. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.